Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing the Tribe Beauty Box. This is the first box of the year and I'm so excited, and we're supposed to be receiving more items in future boxes. So instead of 5 full-size items, I think they're aiming towards more like 7 to 8, which is so exciting. And I know a lot of people find this box a little bit more expensive because it is $35 a month and you also have to pay for shipping. I do have an affiliated discount code. You can use code ayyyeeeitsamanda for 10% off. I do make commission if you use my code or order through the link. My Tribe Beauty Box playlist will be linked to watch previous unboxings. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. Rip it open. Bubble wrap. Disrespect your surroundings. Wait, is that a card? Yes! Tribe stopped putting cards in their boxes, but maybe because it's new packaging, we get cards now. February theme is soft glam. Looks like some of the products are in the bag, some of them are not in the bag. There's something all nice and wrapped up in here. Let's open up this. I'm curious to see what's in this dropper bottle. Woo! This is by Earth Harbor. This is the Lunalae Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum. Ooh, this sounds nice. I have not heard of the brand before, but a night serum? You got me. I'll try this in March when I'm no longer just using Lush products. But for testing purposes, I'm gonna add some drops. Ooh, that is so lightweight, and my hand just absorbed all of that right away. There is a scent to it, but it's not overwhelming. It's very faint. Oh, that is soft. That is good. I should have put it on my chapped hand. I'm excited for this. This retails for $54. This bottle better be magic at that price. This is a rich feather-like serum, which it did feel super lightweight, featuring seaweed collagen, tropical superfruit acids, and botanical multivitamins that retexturize your skin. Help, I have the worst texture and redness to reveal and more radiant looking complexion, all while you enjoy your precious beauty sleep. Well, plot twist, I don't get a lot of precious beauty sleep, so this is only gonna have a couple hours to kick in. I am so excited for it. It felt super nice on the hand and I can't wait to implement that in my routine. Ooh, we have something by The Balm. I think The Balm is kind of underrated. It's funny, the only products I own by The Balm are from subscription boxes. And this is the Pretty Smart Lip Gloss, and I have the shade Pow. Oh, it looks gorgeous. A hot pink with a blue undertone. How'd you know me? This is what she looks like. Oh my gosh, stunning. I'm excited. I haven't tried any lip products by The Balm yet, and this retails for $15. It's a pretty opaque gloss. It doesn't feel sticky on the swatch either. I can't wait to try this on the lips. I would, but I have a lip product on right now. I just feel like this nude doesn't go with hot pink right now. I can be picky with my glosses. I don't like them to be that sticky. To be continued. And it looks like we have 2 brushes from Luxie Beauty, which Luxie is one of my most favorite brands of brushes. This retails for $24. We got iBrush 111 and 237. 237 is a classic blending brush ideal for applying transition colors to the crease and blending out any harsh lines in your eyeshadow looks. 111 mini angled flat is used to smudge and blend out harsh lines or densely pack on cream products onto your lid. I actually use this 111 brush to put in my inner corners or smudge out my lower lash line. I really like to use the 237 blending brush to help clean up my looks with either a transition shade, and if I start off my looks by going from dark to lighter first, I'll use this brush for the lighter to help transition the dark and light shades together. These are gonna get so much use because I can never have too many brushes in my collection, and these are 2 that I am constantly having to clean from all the different eye looks I will do. So I'm very excited to see Luxie in Tribe Beauty Box. And then this is a lash serum by Ceruleum, and it retails for $29.99. This is a lash serum used to help promote fuller, darker brows and lashes. Use 1 to 2 times per day across the lash line. Only 1 dip is needed for both eyes. I am a little hesitant to trying this. I am allergic and very sensitive to products like these, or lose all my lashes and my brow hairs. I'd rather be safe than sorry, even though I've been really wanting to try to get lash extensions or lash tint. They're very pitiful, but it's okay. Nothing that mascara can't fix, even though it still doesn't look like I have lashes, but it is what it is. It looks like we have a Tribe Beauty Box holo kit with the rest of our items, and it retails for $19.99. which I can always use more makeup cases because I'm always just setting aside products to the side for a future video, and it all just falls all over the place on my vanity, so this will help me organize those products. Between Glow Addict and Tribe, I think I'm good on the Iconic Beauty Blur Stick. I'm going to set this aside for a giveaway as well because this is my third time receiving the Iconic Beauty Blur Stick. There's nothing against it. I don't mind it. It retails for $15. It's very similar to the Milk Blur Stick as well. I have used this in combination with another primer, preferably a hydrating primer, to get the most use out of it. The last product, Wander Beauty. It's been a hot minute since Wander Beauty has been in a subscription box, and this is the Fling palette. I don't have the Fling palette, and it retails for $25. This is what she looks like. Or do I have this palette? I don't have this palette. I have the Rush and the Seascape palettes. It is very pretty, and it looks like primarily shimmers, and I prefer their shimmers over their matte. Let's swatch her. Bouquet, Blossom, Marigold. Wander Beauty shimmers are very chunky. They are a little bit more sheer and have to be built up. I like to use MAC Fix to really help make them pop. Eden, Orchid, Cedar. And this is the Fling palette swatched. Eden is the only matte in here. You can definitely see how these shimmers are a little bit on the chunkier side. It looks like I have been using these shimmers for so long, but they've only been dipped into with my fingers one time. I can see myself getting a lot of use out of this palette just by putting it all over my lids, add some mascara and eyeliner, and calling it a day. I'm definitely excited to give it a shot. I definitely think it's a little overpriced for $25. It's nice to receive in a box. I think that this and the Rush palette are gonna pair nice. I didn't really care for the Seascape palette. I think that one had more mattes in it, and I didn't really like how the mattes blended out. So this was Tribe Beauty Box for February 2020. I'm quite pleased with it. And let me know if you guys get Tribe Beauty Box. Were there any other variations? And are you guys looking forward to Tribe Beauty Box in April? I know that you're able to customize one item, and I chose Blur Stick over Glow Stick. You can also do add-ons, even though every time I place an add-on order, it always gets canceled. So maybe I'm not meant to have Tribe Beauty Box add-ons. Probably a good thing for my account anyway. And I just think it's really awesome that they're including more items. And I currently have my February giveaway currently open right now. If you've already subscribed and entered, don't forget to comment on this video for your additional bonus entry. And if you haven't entered yet, go on ahead and subscribe, and there'll be a link in the description box to the video of all the other rules how to enter. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.